Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. General passage on sports. Dictation exercise number 7. Speed 100 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Indian cricket has witnessed numerous legends, but one name stands above all: Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Widely revered as the god of Indian cricket, Sachin's impact on the game transcends mere statistics. His journey, spanning over 2 decades, reflects not just his technical brilliance but also his unshakable dedication, humility, and an unmatched ability to handle pressure. From the moment he stepped onto the international stage in 1989 as a 16-year-old prodigy, he captured the imagination of cricket lovers worldwide. His straight drive, played with perfect balance and elegance, became a signature stroke that defined his batting genius. More than just a player, he was a phenomenon, inspiring millions across generations with his records, work ethic, and sheer love for the game. Sachin's numbers are staggering. With over 34,000 international runs and 100 centuries, he holds records that may never be surpassed. His ability to adapt to all formats of the game, from grueling test matches to electrifying ODIs, made him indispensable to the Indian team. Be it his match-winning knock against Australia in Sharjah in 1998 or his crucial 241 against Pakistan in Sydney without playing a cover drive, Sachin had an answer to every challenge. His performances in World Cups, especially in 2003 and 2011, remain etched in the memory of every cricket fan. The image of him being lifted by his teammates after India's 2011 World Cup triumph at Wankhede Stadium was a fitting tribute to a man who had carried the nation's cricketing hopes for 24 years. Beyond his records, what set Sachin apart was his sportsmanship and humility. Despite being worshipped as a demigod in India, he remained grounded, never letting fame alter his personality. He respected the game, his opponents, and his fans, earning admiration not just from Indians but from cricketers and spectators worldwide. Unlike many superstars, he never engaged in controversies, letting his bat do all the talking. His battles with legendary bowlers like Shane Warne, Glenn McGrath, and Muthaiya Muralidharan showcased his class, yet he always maintained respect for his opponents. His farewell speech in 2013, delivered with immense gratitude and emotion, brought tears to millions, proving how deeply he was connected to the cricketing fraternity and the hearts of his fans. Even after retirement, Sachin's influence remains strong. He continues to mentor young cricketers, promote the sport, and contribute to Indian cricket through various initiatives. His autobiography, Playing It My Way, provides insight into his illustrious career and the values that shaped him. Honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, he remains a national icon, symbolizing discipline, perseverance, and passion. For those who watched him play, Sachin Tendulkar wasn't just a cricketer, he was an emotion, a part of their childhood, and an inspiration that made them believe in dreams. The title, God of Indian Cricket, isn't just a fan-given moniker, it's a testament to the impact he had on the game and the millions who adored him. Stop. Thank you.